Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about amoxicillin, one of the most widely used antibiotics in the USA, Australia, and the UK. Amoxicillin belongs to a group of antibiotics called penicillins. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria, helping your body's immune system fight off the infection. What is amoxicillin used for? Doctors prescribe amoxicillin for many bacterial infections, including ear infections, throat infections like tonsillitis and strep throat, respiratory tract infections like pneumonia and bronchitis, urinary tract infections, UTIs, skin infections, dental infections. How to take amoxicillin? Amoxicillin is usually taken by mouth in capsule, tablet, or liquid form. Your doctor will decide the right dose based on your age, weight, and the type of infection. It's very important to finish the full course even if you feel better before it's finished. Stopping early can cause the infection to come back and make bacteria resistant. Benefits of amoxicillin: effective against a wide range of bacterial infections, generally well tolerated, works quickly to reduce symptoms. Possible side effects: while amoxicillin is safe for most people, it can cause side effects such as nausea, diarrhea, rash, stomach upset. Rare but serious side effects include severe allergic reactions, swelling, difficulty breathing, skin blisters, liver problems. If you notice signs of a serious allergic reaction, seek emergency medical help immediately. Precautions: inform your doctor if you are allergic to penicillin or other antibiotics. Use with caution in people with kidney problems. Tell your doctor about all other medicines you are taking. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their doctor before use. Antibiotic safety tips: never use antibiotics for viral infections like colds or flu. Always follow the exact dosage and timing instructions. Do not share your antibiotics with others. Final thoughts: amoxicillin is a trusted and effective antibiotic, but it should be used only when prescribed by a qualified healthcare professional. Misuse of antibiotics can lead to resistance, making infections harder to treat in the future. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more medical education videos.